The Federal Housing Authority has restated its commitment towards the restoration of its popular festival town, otherwise known as FESTAC in Lagos, to its past glory. Managing Director of the organization, Senator Gbenga Ashafa, represented by its Southwest Zonal Manager, Mr. Akintola Olagbemiro, stated this during a stakeholders meeting held in the estate. This follows a recent demolition exercise of illegal structures on the estate's former buffer zone along 2nd Avenue and the expressway. According to him, the measure is to ensure proper survey in line with the FESTAC master plan and to give possession to the real allottees.
My prayer is for everybody and all the stakeholders in FESTAC here to please help us educate, especially the younger ones, on how to understand that the government and whatever the government has put in place needs to be taken care of. And if anybody sees anything that will cause danger, they should please come forward so that we remove these things early before it becomes a problem.
Meanwhile, placard-carrying protesters stormed the office of the Federal Housing Authority in the estate to demand a reversal of the exercise.
We are seeking for assistance, freedom. Let us retain there. Whatever they want, we are going to pay. We have been paying before. We are paying relevant. We pay local government, we pay the Lagos State, and we also pay the Federal Housing Works. We have the receipt, and we also pay tax. In terms of election, we participate our function. As a citizen, we are Nigerian, we are not foreigner there.
Chairman of Amuodofin local government area, Mr. Valentine Buraimo, lauded the demolition but noted that the council was not informed to enable it offer advice.
And now that the needful has been done, we want to implore the management of FHA to quickly announce the way forward so that the rightful owner can be handed over the property to them with a condition so that you develop it or you let it go. Because as a result of not developing that area, that's gave room for those people settling there to do one of things that